Which property is not related with a electromagnetic wave traveling in a free space? Whereas option A is given as they travel with a speed equal to 1 over root of mu naught epsilon naught. This statement is correct. In free space, the speed of an electromagnetic wave can be calculated using a formula 1 over root of mu naught times epsilon naught. Whereas mu naught is representing the value of permeability of free space, whereas epsilon naught is representing the value of permittivity of a free space. So, electromagnetic waves in free space travel at the speed only. So, statement A given here is a proper property of EM wave. Let us check statement B. Whereas option B is given us they originated from charges moving with uniform speed. This statement is incorrect because EM waves are generated by accelerating charges, not by charging moves with uniform speed. A charge moving with a uniform speed always produces static magnetic field only. So option B is not a proper property of EM waves. Let us check option C. Option C is given as they are transverse in nature. This statement is correct because EM waves are transverse wave, which means that electric and magnetic fields oscillates perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. In free space, the electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and the direction of propagation as well. So option C given here is a property of EM wave only. Let us check option D. Option D is given as the energy density in electric field is equal to energy density in magnetic field. This statement is correct because for an electromagnetic wave traveling in free space, the energy density in electric and magnetic fields are equal and they can be calculated using a formula. In the case of electric field, UE is equal epsilon naught E square divided by 2. In the case of magnetic field, it can be calculated using a formula B square divided by 2 mu naught. For a plane electromagnetic wave, the relationship between E and B ensure that these energies are equal. So option D given here is also the correct property of EM wave. The question is about which is not a property of electromagnetic wave. So we can conclude that option B given here is not applicable for EM waves in free space. So option B will be the correct answer for this question.